Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Webtoon account using the Webtoon application on your mobile device or tablets. First of all, launch open the Webtoon application on your device and in the login screen, select the login options you want to sign in with. Go ahead and select the same method that you previously chose while signing up for your Webtoon account so that you can log into your correct account. I'm just going to tap on continue with emails since I created an account with my email address. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email and password associated with your Webtoon account. If you don't remember your password, tap on the forgot password link at the top of the screen and then follow through the password reset process. If you remember your credential, write it down in the text box correctly. Finally, click on login and you'll then be able to log into your existing Webtoon account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.